Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we are doing War Thunder, but I can't use my tank's main gun. Well, is this even possible? Let's find out.
So that's what we're doing today. To keep the challenge entertaining, no SPAAs will be allowed, and I must actively pursue fights at all times, so I can't just hide in a little cove where nobody can see me. I must respawn once I am dead immediately, and I have to win 3 battles to win at the challenge. Okay, let's get to it. First round, hopefully we can do this. I'm gonna just fire off all of my ammo so I can't shoot anybody, just to make sure I don't cheat. And, well, I have to be actively pursuing fights at all times. I have my friend acting as bodyguard. Should probably wait for him, seeing as I'm kind of just speeding up. But yeah, I'll just be shooting these shots. Okay, my friend's here, so we're gonna keep going. I'm thinking we attack B first, as it's unattacked, it's unoccupied by enemies, right now at least, and it seems like we got a decent amount of crew going. Whoa. Okay.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Okay, B is getting contested fast. Oh, there's a medium tank. Medium tank.
Tank. 1 o'clock.
Okay, no ammo. I have no ammo.
That's your
I have no. Tank destroyer.
1 o'clock. Range 300 meters. Allied forces have captured the zone.
I'm shooting him. Come on. Am I getting any hits? I think I am. Yes, I'm dead. Oh, frick, how am I dying? I think I'm dead. I can't move, I can't do anything. Yep.
The enemy has captured most of the strategic zones.
Okay. It's gonna take a while to get through this. I just can tell. Let's get back in.
Loaded. The enemy is winning.
I'm just gonna keep pushing towards C, as C is occupied by our forces, and it will be much safer. And there will still be probably action there. Keeping it entertaining for the video. I'm gonna do an artillery strike on B. Oh, who's that?
Artillery strike. Coordinates.
Oh, it's that guy.
Delta.
It's the guy who's looking.
4. Destroy.
I'm just gonna keep running.
4.
I think I can just get past them if I go fast enough.
Allied forces
Okay, we've
have
arrived at
captured
B.
a zone.
I'm gonna stay here and defend it. Oh, why are we reloading? What's that? It's okay. I'll just go out of C so I don't reload. And hopefully nobody comes, because that would be very bad.
Loaded.
Okay, no ammo. No ammo. That's good. Takes a while to get through the ammo, it seems. Of course I get hit immediately. It kills everybody. I'm dead.
Attacks the B point.
Did that guy die?
We've been hit.
I'm so dead. Let me just try to hit these guys, because you never know.
We've been hit.
Oh, okay. I need I'm so close there. Something's giving me a feeling this is gonna take a while. Get back into it, I guess.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully we can,
High explosive loaded.
be able to, like, actually win.
Down.
I think I just need to stay alive at this point for a long time. But,
Explosive loaded.
hopefully we can get it in the next 3 attempts.
High explosive loaded.
But it seems very unlikely. Being contested by enemies. Oh, they're taking C now. If I want to go A seems like a good spot to go. Occupied by enemies, but yeah, we're gonna go A.
The enemy controls most of the strategic zones.
Oh, there's actually tank destroyers. Oh, he missed. That's good. Those dead tanks should provide coverage. Okay. There is a tank. BM tank. Okay. We just gotta get through this. This tank destroyer doesn't have the ability to call an artillery strike. Why am I about to go to me? I'm dead. Okay.
Ready up.
Round 2, hopefully it's
Gunner
trying to
ready.
be following it.
Loader ready.
But none of these things. I think so. There's only one attack point. I think we're gonna have to go there for the maximum battle. If the enemy will definitely contest the point. I don't know how good they are yet, but we should try A. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, we're almost at A. It's a heavily contested area. There's so many people around me. I need to get rock cover. Oh, someone's dead.
We've been hit.
Oh, I'm a prime target.
Driver
I'm
unconscious.
actually so bad. Why did I even try? Actually, why did I even try? It's okay, we are back near A. We're almost here. I think I'm gonna stay in this, like, little ground cover. If anybody comes up to me, I will annihilate them, hopefully. I'm gonna stay here. Wait for my bodyguard. Okay, my bodyguard is permanently dead, so I'm gonna have to readjust my strategy as he cannot protect me anymore.
Attack the A point. Team 34. 10 o'clock. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to go on the offensive a little bit, but as I can only use guns, and this tank doesn't really have that good of a gun, I might have to limit. I will be severely limited in that department. That guy's dead. Probably not me though who killed him. We should eventually be able to win back A. That guy's dead also.
Aviation
so
on the way.
I need to be really careful. There's a tank destroyer to the side.
We've been hit.
Of course he shoots. Well, you can't see. I don't think he can see me again. If we could repair the engine block, that would be good. This thing, like, it's machine gun burst. Like that. It's just a sad reality that this challenge is really hard.
Prepare for engine start.
Okay, the engine's almost good though.
Roger. Tank. 2 o'clock. Point blank.
Is that guy still alive? Did he kill himself with his own explosion? I don't know how that would happen.
SPAA. 2 o'clock. Ray.
Oh, there's an SPA.
450.
I think I would be able to take that out. I could. I can take out SPA, I think, with my machine gun. Why is there a floating threat?
Attention to the
I don't
map.
feel safe being out in the open, but I don't see any people on the map, so I think it should be good. There is going to be a meeting coming up. Oh, yes, he does. That's actually amazing. Oh, there's a big hit. I got one on it. Okay, well, this is the third final tank we can use. It looks like our team has control of the A point, so that would be good. Should allow me semi-safe passage over there for the time.
Long high explosive.
And we should be able to win this. I need to take the risk.
High explosive
but
loaded.
I still need to get like damage. And guy right now, I'm probably like, how do I
High explosive loaded.
change things around? I think there's people that want to hit me. I should be able to make it down to A safely though, and then I can maybe get shots on the people from afar. Thing is, they're so far away from A that any real meaningful damage they could do is mitigated by the fact that their bullets will take time to recharge. Still, it'll be really fast, but hopefully I can move out of the way. Faster. Okay. There is gonna be a guy coming up the right.
SPAA, 11 o'clock.
SBA.
Range,
I'm
800.
enjoying this air battle. Give me. I need behind cover. Right. Oh. My tank stand out. Hopefully nobody shoots my tank. But let's try to get this plane. Okay, that one's dead. Is there any other plane? Okay. So all the planes have been taken out. I could try to like go in for a little dive near A, wherever A is. Down here. I think if I go for A, I might be able to take out some of the enemy's tanks. And that would be good. I don't think that.
Attention to the map.
That was a big explosion we got there. Oh, that was that lag. Air battle, I wish I could have Okay. I'm just gonna try to keep a slow tactical advance.
Tank, 11 o'clock. Range,
I'm gonna take a risk
700.
over this guy. He died.
Our victory is near. Look out, down. High explosive loaded.
I'm gonna just try to make my way down to A.
Aircraft, 12
Trying to kill,
o'clock.
okay. I'm trying to kill this guy.
1,000.
Oh!
Gramercy.
Okay. That's good to see us. That guy's dead.
Tank, 10 o'clock. Range, 450.
Hopefully nobody sees me. But I'm gonna try to get into an air battle if I can. Yeah, that hit him. Oh, that's so lucky that didn't.
No, we came short.
Oh,
Just
failed
up.
the challenge.
High explosive loaded. High explosive loaded.
Oh, the other point might be reloading. I feel like that's okay. But I should try to mitigate it too. There's nobody. Okay, I think this might be our first win. Hopefully that nobody sneaks up on us. Oh, yeah, like that guy. He's gonna sneak up on us. Or he doesn't. That is amazing. I think I'm gonna try to get to this air battle, but there's no enemy inceptions, so. Well,
Mission
let's
accomplished.
go. I was 15th place, but I did die a lot, but that's our first win out of 3.
Gunner
Feeling pretty good. Victory from last match. Hopefully we can keep that trend of events up here. But if we don't, we always can play more matches and win those. So let's get to this.
Loading.
So I think we're gonna try to attack A. Though I'm pretty sure there's gonna be contestment from the enemy already. Yes, we wanna not have that guy see us. That right there. First one is so fast.
Roger that, advancing. 8, loading.
Oh, we need to get like down because then they won't be able to see us. That heavy tank is being a problem. Oh, there's a T-34 right there.
Murder stand! No unlock! I'm black!
I'm right in the danger zone. Yep, that was the first step. I don't think we're gonna win this one. Well, hopefully this time we can actually get there. It looks like there's a lot of deaths around the A point, and looks like we're dominating it so far, but that always will change and the enemy. But we have good hype so far.
High explosive, loading.
We're gonna have to come up here. Capturing the point. That is really good. Tank destroyers. Okay. That guy who just killed me, I was in the danger zone there.
Explosive, loading.
Okay. And remember guys, if you are enjoying these types of videos, please remember like and subscribe. It helps small channels like these a ton. And thank you for your support. Okay. Heavily contested here. I don't really feel safe. I'm gonna try to get into A's zone.
High explosive, loading.
I'm gonna try to go. Yeah, that. Okay, no. I'm gonna try to go with that heavy tank, and see where that takes me. My bodyguard did die. He will probably be back soon. Whoa. Okay. We're gonna need to like be very alert and just like make sure we have like awareness around us. Just make sure I don't get just surprised sniped by like a guy that like right there.
9 o'clock! I'm black!
Like right there, that guy. I was in his scope. He definitely could have shot me. These guys just pop out on me.
High explosive, loading!
Did you repair?
High explosive, loading!
Let me repair my bodyguard. He is very heavy to this, so being very good at this.
High explosive, loading! That's short, just up.
Is there a tank right there? I see one of our tank destroyers going there. So I think I'm gonna push down this corner. I don't see any enemies on the map here. This could be good. Oh no, I see an enemy. Oh, he died. Go. There is that heavy tank still. And is that heavy tank? Okay, he's good. He's gone. I'm feeling like we got this, so I'm not gonna put myself out there and die.
Tank, 11 o'clock!
That guy's high there.
300.
Oh, went out Kelly strike. Not good. Should be able to.
Artillery strike incoming!
I'm going to push just because I feel like if I stay like there's 2 people right here. I just think like if I stay within like a boundaries like right there's a guy.
Yeah.
I should be able to get him.
Explosive loading.
I think that guy. SPA. Yes, okay, we did it. Let's go. That's 2 out of 3. Okay, this is our 4th match.
Loader ready.
We should be able to win this if we just play nice and don't take too many risks. We're gonna push C immediately here, and hopefully we can win this. We're coming off like a time. We're coming off a win, so just keep that momentum up and try to win again here and finish the challenge. But we'll see. Whatever happens, happens.
Hit. Loaded.
I'm gonna try to go to C here. Okay, I think we're at B. It looks like there's no enemy people contesting it. Oh, wait, there's one. There's 2. There's a lot of enemies contesting C, actually. This may have been a bad idea. Okay, we killed 2 of them. Maybe a risky play, but I guess it is. Capturing the zone. There's 1 left. Is there? I think we killed all of them. I really wanted to get a kill there.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
Okay, we have C. It looks like we still have it. Now that we have C, I think we're gonna push outward. No, really. If there is a tank here. I'm gonna try to artillery strike them.
Artillery strike. Coordinates.
If I can get one of those off.
Echo. 6.
Go.
Acknowledge. Open fire.
I think we should push to B and then maybe try to replay A. That would be the optimal strategy. Maybe, I don't know, get some damage in? That seems like we've done that, really. There is going to be some a medium tank right here. But if we play nicely...
Tank. 1 o'clock. Fight back. We're winning. Artillery strike.
Oh, I got some hits on it.
Look out now.
I'm gonna deploy a smoke wall. That's gonna be like anything. It might help, but
Hit loaded.
I'm gonna repair my teammates. Both of them.
We've been hit.
And we are going to try to kill the medium tank just right there.
For mercy.
I don't know if I want to be first. I'm gonna try to join this air battle. Hopefully some enemies join so I can get some plane action in there, because that's
Aviation
like
on the way.
there's 1 and B. Nobody joined. There is some tanks building up here though. We want to make it to B phase.
Tank. 3 o'clock.
Hopefully they don't.
0.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. We're back under the cover. I think we're safe now. I want to stay hidden. Oh, there's a tank back there.
Hit loaded.
I'm gonna try to artillery strike this guy.
Artillery strike. Coordinates. Delta. 6. Destroy.
I'm gonna go back into this little area where C would be.
Acknowledged. Open fire.
Let's see if my bodyguards can catch me there. Okay, I think we have an air battle going. I'm gonna try to get into the C area before the air battle starts. My bodyguards start
Heavy
there.
action. On the way.
I'm out in the open right now, so hopefully nobody hits me.
A little more effort, the victory will be yours.
Let's see if we can get this plane. We've got maneuvers. I'm overloading so much right now. Oh, he's in front of me. I don't know. Where is he? This guy. like do a different War Thunder challenge, just leave it in the comments down below, and I will consider doing it. It sounds like a good thing. Okay. Tank. That may have done some damage. I'm gonna try to rejoin this air battle. Air battle, it's the thing that will get us the most kills. I don't think there's no enemy interceptors, so. I'm gonna try to advance from C to B again. Hopefully there's no enemies here. But I think we're gonna bring home the W right here. So, hopefully, I'm gonna try to go on the offensive here. There is gonna be a guy coming up right here. So I'm gonna deploy a little shield. Oh, it's gonna be right here. I'm dead. Come on. Yes, he died. Okay, that's really good. Artillery barrage, like right here.
Artillery strike, coordinates. Charlie, 7, destroy. Charlie, 7,
Come on,
acknowledge.
can some enemies join this?
Fire.
No.
Another zone captured, we have the advantage.
Okay, we have all the zones.
Let's keep the pressure on.
If we just
Victory
keep
is
going,
close.
we will win. Okay. C. So we're just gonna advance to B, I think. That would be the most ideal situation here. Okay, there is some enemies by their spawn point. We could try to push their spawn point.
Artillery barrage on its way.
I think, yeah, I think I do have respawn, so we can just push their spawn.
Artillery
Scary.
strike incoming. SPAA, 12 o'clock. Yeah. Artillery strike in your
We can
sector.
destroy that SPA.
Artillery strike incoming.
I just need to go really fast. SPAs are very weak. Oh. Did I kill them? Yes! Yes, let's go! We won! Let's go! That is the challenge. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And see you next time.